I know I'm hard to love. I can never get enough. But then sometimes you're too much. I'm down, then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love.
What's up, KD gang? So let's get started with this video. We're gonna be using Studio Selection Refreshing Apricot Scrub. It smells really great. So we're gonna be squeezing it out and applying it to our face. Okay, we're just gonna apply it to our face. I normally let it sit, and also rub it in a lot, so the tiny little beads can actually exfoliate my face, because I have really dry skin, so I need everything I can to moisturize my skin. So yeah, we're just gonna keep scrubbing it in. We're gonna wait 10 minutes and let that sit in our skin. So if you want, light a candle, have a little meditation, tranquility, feng shui environment. You can also light a little ganja if you want it. Be a little Rastafari. And don't forget to practice your tricks, ladies. Okay, you can't be part of the MUA Doll gang and don't know how to do any tricks. Okay. And the big finale. Yes, I don't do voiceovers that much, but I'm digging the voiceovers. It's fun. So after you let that sit, we're gonna wash our face and, go on to the next step. So after 10 minutes, wash your face. And now we're going to be applying our AMBI skincare. It's a fade cream. So it's pretty much just to get rid of your dark blemishes. And it will eventually even out your skin. And we all know we want that. So better get on the train. Okay. Period poop. Now let's move on to the eyebrows. So I normally comb my eyebrows up. Anyways, you guys, this is quarantine facial and eyebrow update. This is what I'm doing right now. So once you get your eyebrows combed out, we're going to be using a light brown brow gel and just slightly go around the edges of your hairs. Don't shade it in the middle because it makes it too dark. Especially if you're looking for a nice light eyebrow look, a natural look, this is the best way. So I just pretty much fill in what I'm missing. Okay? Okay! Period poop. Please let me know what y'all doing right now during this coronavirus lockdown, because your girl's going insane. I'm literally staring at the wall and counting my makeup palettes right now. So I'm using the concealer P. Louise base, which you can find at Morphe. You can also order it online, but it's a really good concealer. Pretty much everybody uses this. It's a very common concealer, especially if you're looking for good base for your eyeshadow. You want to use P. Louise. It also helps you blend. Just keep blending. That's what I do. I make sure everything is nice and even and symmetrical before I even blend it in. So the brush I'm using is actually a Morphe brush. It's 213 brush, and it's a really good brush. Someone actually gave me that and was like, hey, you should use this brush, and it's really good with small corners, and I've been using it since. So ladies, you better go get you a 213 brush at Morphe. Okay, period poop. So anyway, MUA Dolls, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below and click the beauty bell for more notifications. You'll know when I upload a new video. So you need to click that beauty bell, okay? And as well, go follow me on Instagram at KDTV Official. All the info is right there on the screen. It says IG KDTV Official. Okay, so as we watch the last few minutes of this clip, you could be subscribing and you can also share it. Thank you, MUA Dolls, for watching this video. If you're looking for more videos, just stay tuned. Also, you can comment below and give me some video requests, some video ideas, you guys. Come on, help your sister out. Okay, period poop.
Too much. I'm down, then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love. I know I'm hard to please. I'm never happy, it seems. But you put my heart at ease when it's crashing like the seas. I know I'm hard to please.